was talking to Mama Winnie Byanyima a short while ago and telling her that one of the hardest moments for me is to look in the eyes of the wives and the children of the missing people, of the abducted ones. Constantly having to look in their eyes when we are demanding for their loved ones, when we are sending back the kids to school, or when I'm giving updates to them. Today, because it's even hard for me to look in the eyes of my own brothers and sisters, my own family, explaining where our brother is. That is how challenging. Funa obuzibu amaanyi nnyo okusinkana family z'abo abantu bebawambidde abantu baabwe nga tebalabikangako, naye nga bwe ngambye leero ate byongedde okunkalubiriza kubanga simanyi bwe ntunula mu maaso ga mukyala Nyanzi oba abaana be abali wano oba family yaffe bakubira ne bagamba waayi muganda waffe aliwa, kati ng'ogenda baddamu otya? Bakubira bagamba taata aliwa, ng'ogenda baddamu otya? That is the challenge. Ne baana bange ngera bwe mulaba bano abantu bonna, nobody is safe, not even us. Naye nga tujja kuwangula lazima aga Katonda mugulu. We shall win, and these people one day will pay for all the pain that they are causing us. Being here, and the regime is making it clearer, because we are here, just like the children of Damulira, the children of Chibalama. I don't know whether my brother is alive or dead, but one thing that I know is that we are not going to give up. Today, I'll be very brief. I'll talk about only two things. First is unity, and second is pressure. What do I have to say about unity? It pleases me so much, and I'm sure it pleases the people of Uganda, especially those who are oppressed, who are the majority, to see us all here together, despite all efforts to drive wedges among us, despite all efforts to draw us against each other. You have seen, apart from reaching out to the families of the missing people and trying to convince them that we are responsible for the missing of their loved ones. Bagenda ne babagamba, oyo mulaba asibisa abaana bammwe, oyo mulaba awambisa abaana bammwe, awambisa abantu bammwe, nga ababawambye bennyini bebagamba nti tuwambisa abantu baabwe. Abasise abantu bennyini bagenda ne bagamba, olaba oyo aleetera abantu bammwe okubawamba. We want to thank you for not falling into that trap, for understanding and looking beyond these lies. You have seen all over social media that some of them work for the regime, and others, we must understand, they are our comrades, but they don't get the depth of this. They fail to understand that the regime prefers us divided. They don't want us to be together. Bafiirawo okulaba nga batwawula, batekamu ne ssente, infiltrating abo abali mu groups zaffe, making sure ono asojja oli n'oli n'asojja oli. Obudde tumale mu kutomeragana na kubagana nga ye anyigiriza ono anyigiriza oli. Asibye Dr. Besigye wa FDC wa PFF, asibye Bobby Yanga wa People Power wa NUP. Then n'agamba bali mwe muvumirire bano, mwe lwaki temujjayo Dr. Besigye, nammwe muvumirire oli lwaki wammwe bamusibye luvannyuma. So ndi musanyufu nnyo okulaba nti tusobola okukwatagana ne twogera n'eddoboozi limu, bannange tetulekerangaawo. And on behalf of NUP, we commit to be part of every effort of freeing innocent people, no matter their political persuasion. Ate nammwe mbakubiriza bannange, bwe mulaba omuntu anyigirizibwa, ne bw'oba wali okayanyeeko naye, ne bwe muba mwali muvuganyizaako ku kifo, yimirira naye kuba bwe bamala ye banona ggwe. Oba twayimirira ne tudimandinga si papa, oba twabanja bulora, kati lwaki tetubanja abaffe? So mbasaba baganda bange, byonna ebitwawula mubiteeke ku side, tutunulire ekitugatta. Mama Karua said it that a people united can never be defeated. Let us deny Museveni his interest of dividing us. Tulemereko, tusigalenga tuliwamu, tusigalenga tuuliziganya. I thank the leaders here and those that have not joined us today for heeding to that call. Number 2 is pressure.